Hi everyone, welcome back to Adventures in Cooking with me, Crazy Marcus. So, as you all probably know if you've been watching the channel, Scooter Sue is ill. So tonight I'm just preparing a meal for me and Benidorm Mike. And tonight I've decided to go with something a bit tasty and a bit spicy. Tonight we've got Jamaican jerk chicken. So, first off your ingredients. You're gonna need a fresh lime, or you can just buy it from supermarket, which we've done. Obviously, chicken. You're obviously gonna need chicken, ain't you guys? And of course, a Jamaican jerk spice kit. We've got this one from JD Seasonings. Thanks to our good friend Marie Robinson and her son Luke Robinson. See you guys soon. So, gonna put my chair out my way. And basically, let's get started. So I'm going to grab myself a bowl. Going to get a knife to open our chicken. Benny Beats, the official album by me, Crazy Marcus. That's me, guys. It's out now with such brilliant songs as Benidorm Forever, Fiesta Forever, Christmas in Benidorm, EDM Dance Anthem, Benidorm Hardstyle Christmas, Fancy Dress Madness. Such great songs on this brilliant album, guys. Total of 10 songs for €10. Brilliant price, guys. Get it now. The link is down below. Perfect Christmas present, birthday present, whatever you want to give someone, it's the best gift to give. Benny Beats the album, guys. All made by Crazy Marcus, me. Best album ever. Then place your chicken in the bowl. Like so. Then quickly wash me hands. Okay, next thing on our agenda, gonna chop up our lime and juice it, if I can find the bag opening. There we are. Nice green lime, yummy. Matches my hair colour a bit. Now I'm probably cutting this wrong, but hey ho. Oh, smells quite strong. Just going to squeeze all the juice out. Try to get as much as possible, guys. Okay, so that's all the juice out of the one lime we have had. For the recipe, yeah, that should be enough, guys. Then you're gonna get your chicken and just pour it over your chicken breast. And now it's time to add half the pot of your spice. There you go, guys. Looks delicious. Smells delicious as well. Already from smelling it, quite a bit of a punch to it. Sort of medium spice level on the JD Seasonings spice package. So, should be fun. Okay, gonna sprinkle that in, then just like rub it on top the chicken. Come over here. Sprinkle a little bit more. And just like rub it into your chicken nicely, guys. Then flip both of them over. Okay. And fire the rest of your pot in. Same again really, just sort of mix it into your chicken. Make sure each bit's nice and covered. Look at that, guys. Looks delicious. Okay, so once you've done that, you will want to cook your chicken up. Look at that, guys. You can't cook a good meal without getting dirty. Something that don't happen nowadays. Anyway, so once you've spiced up your chicken, you're going to want to cook it. Now you can cook it however you want. We're going to do it on a gas ring, about 4 minutes, flip it over, couple more minutes, then Bob's your uncle. But we're also going to do some veggies with it. I'll just quickly wash my hands off before I put the veggies in, guys. Messy. Okay, guys, time to do the veggies. We are in a bit of a rush today. We've got to have ate by a certain time with our diet, me and Mike's son. So it's kind of went a bit topsy-turvy today with having to go shopping as well. Gonna put the veggies in. Just put them down for a minute. There you are. Okay, into the air fryer they go. Does anyone else have their air fryer on top of the microwave? We've broke it. There we are. Going to put temp up to 200. Okay. They're on. We haven't got a timer on it, so I don't know what we've done, but hopefully they cook. See you in a minute. Okay, so while we're waiting for the veggies to cook, we're gonna cook the chicken. Now, sadly we haven't got any oil, so we're gonna use our alternative method, a bit of water. That enough? Now I'm gonna just place each bit of chicken in it. Hopefully we've got enough room in each. I hope so. Oh. Bits of spice falling off it there, guys. Move that to the side. Get the gas on. I don't think that was meant to happen, but yeah. Now wait for that to cook. About 5 or 4 minutes and nip it over to the other side. And I'm sticky again, guys. Okay, so just cooking up our chicken now. Looks absolutely delicious. Shouldn't be too long now and we can eat it. Probably end up having to wait for the veggies to be done though, I'm not too sure, but I am quite hungry. Okay everyone, chicken's done. I do apologise for the noise. We've had to put the extractor fan on it. We're getting a bit smoky in here, making me and Mike cough. So yeah, that's the noise. Smaller bit for Mike, because pensioner size, ain't it guys? Pensioner portions. Big bit for me. And now we are just waiting on the veggies. There they are. Yum yum yum. Not very healthy for our diet, yes I know, but I figured because we had rice last night we'll have something different. Just try to get them all out of the air fryer. There you go guys, looks delicious. Okay guys, time for that all important taste test. Okay guys, so a change of things. Today Sue's ill obviously, so it's me and Mike reviewing it. So I thought I'll go first. I want to try a bit of the chicken skin first, then the chicken itself. Looks like I have got a bit of chicken there, a bit of the skin. All nicely spiced as well. Let's taste it. Yeah, you're getting quite a mixture of the flavours of spice coming through. Try some of the chicken. Chicken is nicely cooked as well. Yeah, very nice. I'll try a veggie, might as well, why not? Nice cooked veggies. Store-bought, obviously, not homemade, but still very nice. 10 out of 10. So there he is, guys. Benny Dunn's compo.
See this chicken? It's nice chicken.
Oh, yummy.
Never thought of doing it that way, but yeah.
Oh.
Not so gross, Marcus.
Hang on, you got to pick your plate up, do the master pose. Brilliant.
Very spicy.
Yeah, very spicy, guys, but nice. What's he thinking? What's going on in that brain?
Spicy. Wedges are wedges, aren't they?
Just suppose so, yeah. Sorry, guys.
Nice and fluffy inside, and well cooked and crisp on the outside, just as they should be, as you usually get with the air fryer.
You're giving Danny a run for his money?
No, because I'm trying to cough. I'm trying to stop coughing. This spice has definitely gone on the back of my throat. And, yeah. So, probably a 10 out of 10 for me.
Wow, 10 out of 10.
Very nice.
Okay, I'll finish it off. Oh, there he is.
Turn you around.
Hang on. Wrong way. Or is it? Is it? No. What the hell? I thought it
Somewhere wrong there, Marcus.
Yeah, you have went wrong.
Oh,
Don't mind all the stuff in the background, guys. Not there. Anyway, so thanks for watching today's episode of Adventures in Cooking with Crazy Marcus. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always,
what did you give the score out of 10?
I gave it a 10 out of 10. Bank tidy, or I don't really know any other like my takeaway quotes. Bosh. That a Yorkshire quote, is it?
Bosh, I thought that was tools.
I don't know. Anyway, as always, guys, keep cooking. Adios.